The main challenges in manufacturing industry today are getting skilled manpower, retaining them, and also in this process optimizing your cost. Industries implement automation, but they are isolated. They are specific to one particular division, one particular problem statement, and in the end, all these solutions don't talk to each other. My name is Prashant Deshpande. I am Vice President Strategy at DesignTech Systems Limited. DesignTech has come up with an integrated approach of providing end-to-end factory automation solutions. We design the smallest of automation, keeping in mind that this is going to talk with the central CPU, with the central AI brain. All these things are integrated into one common AI platform, and that is what we call TARP Factory. With this approach, we are helping the organization integrate isolated automation solutions and starting their AI journey into their manufacturing process. DesignTech Systems is a 27-year-old company. We provide end-to-end product design as well as factory automation solutions. At Automation Expo 2026, we have showcased our entire suite of factory automation solutions, including VisionX, which is our vision inspection system, and TARP Factory Automation Suite. Please do visit us at Hall number 3, stall number E13.